everyone. Welcome to the group. I started this group so we can have the volunteers work together better. Every project is going to have a post, and under that post you can reply with what you've done or questions or whatever you think about it, so please feel free to post under the other post, and if you can think of any projects, then make a new post and we can all work on it together. Please be respectful of people in the group and be nice. We're all here to help other people, so let's do that. Now I'd like to show you a